Go ahead, Bubba. Oh, remember? You remember? I don't remember. That one? The other way. Should we go? You're heading right way. He's lost. No, keep going. Straight. Get close, buddy. Yeah. We're getting there. Oh, keep going. No, we keep going. Straight. Go straight, bud. Yeah, you go straight.
But there's a distraction, Daddy.
Keep going, Bubba. There you go. You're getting close. There you go. He's lost. Yeah, take a look. Take that way. E. E. Damn it. You got that door? You're close. Mm-hmm. Oh no. A little bit open. Keep going. We got that.
So cute.
He's taking a while. He's a little boy. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. See, she's cleaning that room. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know.
You're just cleaning it.
Dude, that thing would be destroyed.
Alright, let's go back. Go back that way.
I know. That little boy went something.
There you go. You're moving. We'll go down to the end, okay? And then we'll get up. You wanna go? Okay. Should we go back? You wanna go back? You go back and see Mama. How's that sound? Yeah, I don't know what that. That's the cleaning. Let's go this way. Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's turn back. E. Go that way. Yeah, go that way. Mm-hmm. Good speed. That's not our door.